Right. Now, the first topic from electrical engineering I am going to deal is the most updated topic. I forgot to mention the most trending topic. Not COVID, but Corona loss from power system engineering. Right. Before going to deal Corona loss, let's have a small introduction part. That is, let me say something about electric fields. Right. Generally, we know that electric fields emanate radially outward. That is, they will be like, if we consider a source, they will be like they emanate outside. Right. From a circular conductor. If we consider a circular conductor, they emanate perpendicularly outward like this. Right. So, if I consider a sharp edge somewhere, if I consider a sharp edge like this, right, here the electric field will be very, very high. Right. The electric field, generally they emanate perpendicular outward like this, but at the sharp edges the electric field intensity will be generally very high. Right. Keep this in mind for some time. Now, coming to what is corona. Right. We don't need to go through the definitions and all. Actually, it is not required. We just need what will happen during corona. Right. During night times in the high voltage transmission lines, we will be generally seeing a bluish white tinge formation. As per textbooks, we can say that a violet color glow. Right. A violet color glow will appear on the high voltage transmission line. Right. This is due to corona. Right. This is one of the effect of corona. Right. Now, coming to what is meant by corona. Now, we already said we generally see it is a bluish white tinge, or from textbook point of view we can say that it is a violet color formation, violet color glow. Right. Now, before going to what is corona, let us take a conductor. Let me take a conductor, and here generally it will be surrounded by air. Actually, we know that it will be surrounded by air actually like this. Right. Now, if the generally electric field intensity will be maximum at surface and maximum at surface and minimum at center of conductor. Right. Now, at the surface, if electric field intensity or voltage gradient of that particular conductor is increased beyond the dielectric strength of air, that is, if this E of conductor is increased beyond dielectric strength of air, dielectric strength of air, generally at normal NTP conditions, generally maximum value of dielectric strength of air is 30 kV per centimeter. That is, if we consider RMS value, it will be 21.21 kV per centimeter. That is 30 by root 2. Right. These values we should keep it in mind. Then, if the E value, that is voltage gradient at the surface of conductor, exceeds the dielectric strength of air, right, then the surrounding air will start conducting. That is, all the electrons will be removed, so that there will be only ions here. Right. There will be only ion formation here. Right. Let us consider the direction of current is like this. Then due to the air also starts supporting, right? So start supports conduction. So the air also will move. I mean the air conduction will be same direction along the direction of current, right? While doing so, some of the ions will be bombarding with the surface of conductor like this. They starts bombarding with the surface of conductors. If this bombarding is in the audible range, that is, if this bombarding is in 20 to 20 kilohertz range, we can hear hissing noise, right? So these ions, when bombarded with the surface of conductor, if it falls into the audible range, we can hear hissing noise, which is also one of the effect of corona, right? Due to continuous bombarding, at the time of installation, every conductor surface will be smooth actually, right? But when due to continuous effects and all, due to continuous bombarding and all, the surface will be eroded. So surface erosion also occurs, right? Then generally electric field intensity at the surface of conductor will be like this, right? On the surface of conductor, electric field intensity will be like this. Right? Now, this is dielectric strength of air. Right? Now, if we draw the corona discharge, that is corona currents. Right? If we draw the corona currents, they will be like this, right? This is corona discharge, right? So we generally see it is non-sinusoidal. So if we give this corona discharge waveform to Fourier, it will split fundamental component along with some other harmonic components, right? So we can also see the formation of harmonics in a voltage or currents. We didn't see formation of harmonics in voltage, but we saw harmonics formation in currents, right? Therefore, due to these harmonics will be of the order or twice or thrice whatever, right? Due to this, if they fall into radio frequency range, we can experience radio frequency interference, right? Radio frequency interference can also be experienced. Then the next point, in air generally we have three major components, right? Oxygen, nitrogen, carbon dioxide. We will be seeing these three as per chemistry, right? So O2, oxygen in air will be converted into O3. It will reduce to O3, that is ozone, right? Then next, nitrogen. Nitrogen in atmosphere will change into nitric acids. Right? Due to this nitric acid, since it is an acid, acids generally corrosion. So conductor will also lead to corrosion, right? The next point, carbon dioxide. So carbon dioxide will reduce to, it will form carbon deposits, right? We can see small carbon deposits on the conductor. So by combination of these two we can experience small white powder like filament elements on the surface of conductor, right? Along with this, we can also experience, at last we can also experience power loss, right? So the following are the effects of corona. The first effect is formation of bluish white tinge, that is violet color glow. The second thing is hissing noise. Hissing noise occurred due to continuous bombardments of ionized air, right? Third thing, due to continuous bombardments, the smooth surface conductor will be eroded, that is it becomes very rough, right? Fourth point, we have already seen the surface, electric field intensity at the surface, right? Electric field intensity at the surface, if we draw the corona discharge, it will be like non-sinusoidal. Approximately it will be like peaky sinusoid, right? If we give this peaky sinusoid to Fourier, it will convert it will divide into fundamental as well as the harmonic components, right? So we can experience harmonic components. Due to these harmonic components frequencies, if they fall into radio frequency range, we can experience radio frequency interference, right? Coming to chemical actions. Chemical action, generally atmosphere has major amounts of O2, N2 and CO2, right? O2 will be reduced to ozone, right? Ozone. Then coming to nitrogen. Nitrogen will be reduced to nitric acids. So these nitric acids lead to corrosion of conductor, right? The next thing, carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide will be converted into small carbon deposits on the conductor, and these two, when nitrogen and carbon deposits, will appear like small white colored elements, light colored powdered elements on the conductor, right? All these effects can be seen when corona occurs, right? When will it occur? When the potential difference appeared will be increased continuously, right? Beyond the limit, if we increase potential difference continuously, the E, that is electric field intensity at the surface of conductor, will increase and it will exceed the dielectric strength of air. Due to all this will occur, right? This is what corona is in the brief means, right? In the next class, we will see how to avoid corona and some of the points to be remembered for your competitive exams for corona, right? Thank you.